Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited. This is my first actual video that I've created for this channel. And I thought it would be fun to do something more DIY rather than to do essential oil training. And I thought I can always do essential oil training, but why not do something fun that everybody can try out if they have oils? If they don't, you know, I can help you with that too. But this is something super easy that you should have most of these things in your home to be able to create. So yeah, let's go ahead. Oh, let me tell you what we're making. That would help. We are making a essential oil sea salt spray. Now I don't want to give anything away, but kind of liking it. If you want to see how to make your own DIY essential oil sea salt spray for your hair to get extra texture and volume and wave in the summer, keep watching. Okay, so my hair is just damp. I washed it, didn't do anything to it except put a little of my Healthy Hold glaze in it and just scrunched it out a little bit. What we're gonna need to make the sea salt spray is an 8-ounce bottle. This one's from Oil Life. I'll have a link in the description below for how you can get this bottle. And I have a code too for that. Then we need the Healthy Hold glaze, which like I said, I already put a little bit in my hair. I do that all the time. This Healthy Hold glaze is great because it's protecting. It's natural with CPTG essential oils, and it promotes a healthy hair and scalp. And I noticed that it really does make my hair feel nice and adds just a nice little bit of hold to it. We're gonna need some fractionated coconut oil, not a whole lot. And then I have some Epsom salt and some sea salt and some water. I have some distilled water, which is what I prefer to use when making like sprays and things like that. And I want to add this too. So I love sea salt sprays. I think they add just a nice texture. They smell good. We are using 2 oils in this one, and I think I forgot to mention that. Rosemary and lemon. And it's just gonna make it smell fresh, and it just smells like summer. It just smells really good. So we're gonna use those 2 oils in it, and I just like the texture that it gives my hair, and I like the waves and not having to do a whole lot in the summer, especially when it's a little bit more humid. I probably should have done this like on a table so you can see what I'm doing, but I'll hold it up and hopefully you can see. So I have an 8-ounce spray bottle. It's glass, and it's the ombre. I don't remember what this is called. Something passion, tropical passion, passion fruit. I don't remember. Something gorgeous because I love these colors. Look at that. First thing we're going to add is a teaspoon of Healthy Hold glaze. So now I hold this like this to open it because it is a more liquidy. It's glaze. It's not a gel. So hold it like that, and then we can pour a little bit, just a teaspoon right in here. And then close that up. Try not to spill it. I do have a funnel thing, but I feel like I can do this. Oh, we did it. Perfect. Now we need 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt. I have mine here. Oh, I don't know why I bought this big bag. Supposedly you use it for like soaking and all kinds of things, like pain. I don't know. I've never, I feel like I'm gonna need the funnel. Okay, I realize my funnel's not gonna work, so we're gonna make a paper one. Just basically a little something like that. Because this is just gonna be the dry stuff. And then just stick it in there like that. And then we can just pour our salts in. So there's 1 tablespoon and 2. That worked out really well. All right, and then we need a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. So we're taking that from the regular sea salt. Pour that in. A 1/2 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. So I'm not gonna use the paper anymore. Take our fractionated coconut oil. Did say 1/2 teaspoon, right? Like, I'm so bad with, if I cook or bake anything, I have to double check what I'm doing because I invariably mismeasure or leave something out. So I'm double checking that I do this right. Okay, yes. So 1/2 teaspoon. It's right in there. Okay, this is gonna take like the rest of my life unless I do it this way. There we go. I guess this is meant so you can do it like drop by drop, which is a great idea. All right, pour that in. Perfect. Okay, now it calls for 5 drops each of lemon and rosemary. I just go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of lemon. So you have just a little salt mess down there in the bottom. So now we just add the water. I have some distilled water to make my life a little easier. I have a measuring cup to pour it into. And this way I don't make a mess. So pour it to the top. I go just below the top, because obviously you want to leave room for the spray. So I go right about there. Right about there. We'll put our sprayer back in. Give it a good shake. So that's it. Sea salt spray. So now I'm gonna go style my hair with it and I'll be right back to show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks after I kind of blow dried it a little bit. Now I probably would style it a little differently. Maybe some clips over here, which I don't have handy. Some of those like pretty barrettes or whatever right there. That would look cute. But it's real soft. It has a lot of texture. It, you know, I can run my fingers through it. It has hold, it has wave. It looks like the natural beachy kind of waves, and I'm really loving that for summer. Kind of go with the flow of the humidity, so I don't have to fight it, you know, straightening my hair. I can leave it down, I can put it in a ponytail. With this kind of texture too, it would make a really cute bun, which I always wear my hair in a bun. So I'm trying to wear it down some more than I do, because I feel like it's probably bad on my hair. I have a lot of little broken pieces around in here, probably from wearing it in a bun all the time. But anyway, so I really love how the sea salt spray turned out. I found it on the doTERRA Pinterest board actually, and it was a board for DIY projects. So when I saw a sea salt spray, I thought I'd try it out, and I would say definitely try this if you're looking for a good sea salt spray. And what did this cost me to make this? Okay, so the glass bottle was probably the most expensive thing. I think I paid $6.99 for it, but like, it's reusable. So this cost me less than 50 cents to make, guaranteed. So I'll have the directions for how to make that in the description box below, along with a code so you can get $5 off a $25 purchase at Oil Life if you'd like to get these bottles. It is an affiliate code, so I do get a commission if you click the link and make a purchase. It helps support me and my channel as I'm getting started, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's it. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more videos, DIYs, essential oil training, and business training. I'm gonna be doing some of that too, so stay tuned. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.